Remo 22, and tonight our drink that we are having is my first New England IPA. See, it is hazy, and it doesn't seem like it's going to clear up at all. I made this about a month ago, and I think I've been drinking on it for about 10 days. So the hops I use with this one is mainly Citra and Galaxy. And we're going to go over the recipe right here, but let's go ahead and get a taste on this. Cheers! I was all excited. It's got a really nice aroma also. So this is actually a double dry hop. I believe it was 2 ounces. It was a total of 8 ounces of dry hop. So there was a lot of hops in this thing. So let's go ahead and go over the recipe. So to get the haze, I did a couple different things. The yeast that I used was Imperial, and I used Imperial, which I'm not sure, it's Imperial, the juice. That's what it was. From the Homebrew store. It was kind of pricey. It was about $11, but I could just pour it right in. It was really fresh. I think it was less than a month old, so I was really ecstatic with it. So let's go over the grain bill. 2-row, 8 pounds of 2-row. I did 1 pound of Munich, 1 pound of white wheat, and I also used 8 ounces of golden naked oats. So I was trying that out for the first time. It seems like it worked. And then I also used, for another fermentable, was 1 pound of Turbinado Sugar. So the one thing that I wasn't really happy with the appearance is it looks dirty. I wanted it more yellow, more like a golden yellow. So I'm not sure where the darkness, I guess the brownish or whatever. It doesn't. I was told it looks like the dirty dishwasher. That was from SJ Pour. I mean, it tastes good. It's just that it looks not appealing. So, you heard my grain bill. I've got it down here. I got the recipe down below. If there's anything that you can give me pointers on keeping it yellow or whatever, maybe a pound of Turbinado was too much. Maybe I'll go a half pound next time. So, let me get another taste on it. Okay, let's go over the hops. Hops, my bittering hop was Citra. I used 1 ounce, and that was at 20 minutes. So I did a 90-minute boil. So I boiled it down, and I think this came out to, like 7.5%, 8%. So it's up there. It doesn't really taste boozy because it's hoppy. So I did 1 ounce of Citra at 20, and then I whirlpooled Citra and Galaxy 2 ounces each at the steep. So got it down to 180. Did the whirlpool. I was very shocked that it really does. It's bitter. I wasn't expecting that much bitterness because of all the other IPAs, double IPAs that I've actually made, and I put a whole bunch of hops in, and it doesn't taste as bitter. It was just kind of shocking to me. So, and then the Imperial yeast for the juice, and then I did a double dry hop, so a total of 8 ounces. It was a 5-ounce dry hop, or 5-day dry hop, and then another 5-day dry hop. So it was like so one was in there for 10 days, but the aroma is just through the roof. It is really. I was expecting a little bit more juice, but it's very floral and citrusy, but it's not tasting citrusy. Probably because maybe I need to back off on my bittering hop. Maybe drop it down another, maybe a ½ ounce or something. But I'm pretty sure that the next one I do, I think I'm going to do probably Citra and Mosaic, or maybe all Mosaic. So Yeah, and then there's another hop that I really like to try. The one that I tasted with Jake Wallstad during that Mike Dean hop challenge, and I think it was the HBC 431 or something like that. So that thing was flipping awesome. So I was very impressed with that one. So not much else is going on here. Got my homebrew club. Well, actually, I brewed last. I think it was last Wednesday or the Wednesday. It was the Wednesday before, and I shot a homebrew Wednesday with my iPhone, and felt like my iPhone was going to fall in the boil day because I actually did a brew day footage, and I was going to show you my hazy IPA because yeah, that was like 2 weeks ago because I think I cold crashed it, and I had some people ask me about why am I cold crashing a New England IPA. Well, I don't think it's hurt the haze at all, and for one, it had a lot of hops in it, a lot of hops. I mean, I did like a taste test of it. It was so flippin' bitter. It was crazy. So that's why I decided to cold crash it. Didn't seem like it hurt it at all. I think I cold crashed it for 4 days, 4 or 5 days, and then I put it into the keg. Charged it for 2 days. Got a nice carb. Got good lacing on it. It's a pretty nice looking beer, except for the color. That's about it. I mean, it's got the haze. It's New England. So that's pretty much all I have for this week. Just a reminder out there, if you're going to enter any beers at AHC, I think it's open now. So I think it's open for a week. So you pick all the locations you want to send them to. I think they raised the money up to like $16. I'm not sure. I haven't even registered my beers yet. So I'm not sure which ones I'm going to register. I usually send mine to Tampa. So anyways, happy Homebrew Wednesday, and I will see you next week. Hold me to it. Cheers and peace.